What's up, Royals? Welcome back to Tonetrasgarden. I'm Tonetra and you are in my garden right now. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to prune store-bought pepper plants and how to plant them up in a container. And we're going to get right into this video. So remember I was telling y'all that I had bought like a multi-pack of pepper plants from Lowe's and they didn't have them anymore this year. I found them at Walmart. They were $3.94, I believe. So sorry, the plane is up there. If you are in the market for pepper plants and you don't want to pay $5 per plant from Bonnie Plants, go to Walmart and get you the 4-pack for $4. So that's about $1 a plant. Let me show you. So these are the plants. Oh, sorry. Okay, so they're $3.48 actually, so they're cheaper, less than $3 a plant. That is wonderful. So we're gonna go ahead and prune these. I'm gonna show you how I do that. And I did find, look what we found. I found rosemary. So we're gonna put the rosemary in the lavender's place, and we're gonna put the lavender in its own pot, but we're not gonna do that in this video. Okay, so we have our pepper plants, and I'm just going to take one out to show you guys better because these are all, shoot, bunched together if I can get it out the container. Okay, here we go. Okay, and I do have another video on this going more into depth. If you want to watch that video, I will link it in the description box, and it goes more into detail about how to do this, but this is just me quickly telling you how. Stop, girl. This is just me quickly telling you how to do it. So we're going to, when you're pruning your pepper plants, you want to go right above the second set of true leaves and just snip it right across the top. So not these bottom leaves, those are the baby leaves. We're gonna go to the second set of true leaves. So not counting those, we're gonna count one set, we're gonna count 2 sets, and right above this set, we're gonna snip it. Okay? Okay. And your plant should look like this. And then it's gonna start to grow more bushier. So the purpose of this is for a bushier pepper plant, and it does work in my opinion. Some people don't do it, some people do, but that's how you do it. You just go above the second set of true leaves and snip it right across the top, and it'll start to branch out, you know, bushier. So we're gonna do this other one, skip those, go to the second set, and we're gonna snip. Okay. Ooh, mosquitoes are out. 1, 2. This one's a little short. I'll wait on that one. 1 set, 2 set. We'll go. There we go. Okay. So there you have it. You have your pruned pepper plants, and we're gonna go ahead and pot these up. I've already prepared the containers that I'm going to put them in. I put basil in the containers, so companion planting, basil goes well with peppers. You can also do some marigolds too. Okay, so here are my 2 containers. These are actually, I guess, self-watering. They have the reservoir at the bottom where you can put water at the bottom and water it from the bottom. So I think that'll be good in the summertime, but I'm just gonna pop the peppers right in between these marigolds that need to be harvested. Not marigolds, basil that needs to be harvested. Okay, I am gonna put a tiny bit of fertilizer in the planting hole, but that's about it. So let's go ahead and do that. And I am only putting, could I put 2 plants? I could put 2 plants, but 2 plants might be a little much. I'm gonna put 1 plant. So I am just gonna go ahead and plant 1 plant per pot, just so that they have enough space to grow, because pepper plants, their roots can get pretty large. I'm just gonna dig a nice hole. I'm gonna go ahead and put some fertilizer. All-purpose fertilizer is fine, just use whatever you got. Then I'm gonna mix that in. I might do a little bit of bone meal as well. We're gonna add in a little bit of bone meal for strong roots. Just a tablespoon. We're gonna pop this baby in here. And there you have it. You have planted your beautiful pepper plant. And if you have leaves touching the soil, just go ahead and prune those off. You don't want anything touching the soil to prevent disease and things like that. And we're just gonna let that grow. Down. One to go. And by the way, these are jalapeno peppers. I use a lot of jalapeno peppers in my cooking, so I love when I can just come outside and harvest them fresh from the garden. Put a sprinkle of fertilizer, a tablespoon of bone meal. Fell out. Okay, don't be like me and tear up your plants. Be very careful. Okay, and you should get a nice, healthy, bushy pepper plant after you've pruned it. I know it hurts to prune your plants, but you gotta do it. And I'm gonna prune these too. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest from these. And you just want to cut at the at your set of leaves. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut right above this set of leaves and this set of leaves. This set of leaves. These plants grow quick. This set of leaves. So I can go ahead and make some basil tea and water these in. All right, Royal, so that wraps it up for this video. I hope that it was helpful. If it was, make sure you leave me a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.